So tell us about tonight. This is a long-awaited premiere for the movie. So tell me, what do you think?
Oh my God, Andre, I am so excited about what's getting ready to happen here with Who You With too. Thank you so much. First, I got to give it up to Big Mouth Films with Black Girl Powerhouse Films. Hey, we did that,
We
didn't
did
we?
that.
We did that. We definitely did that. I'm excited. All of these wonderful people came out to see this. This, of course, is a long awaited film. Everybody's been waiting on Who You With too, and we are here.
All right. So tell me, after all this hard work and dedication you all put in, how's it feel to like finally be at the finish line?
Oh, I feel good. Real good.
Yes, yeah.
Tell me a little bit about like what you think that the preparation that you all put into it, the final product that people are finally going to see tonight. Does it feel like, wow, we made it, we did it?
Definitely. After all of the work, after all of the, the chops and
Yeah, we really put a lot into this. We really did. I know Vic got kind of tired of me. He just the other day he said, "Brenda, are we finally done yet?" And I said, "Yeah, we are absolutely done now. We're finished. This is it. We're ready for everybody to see it, and we're just so excited. This is our moment. This is our time. Yeah."
Congratulations. Why don't you introduce us to the cast that you have here?
Absolutely. This is my Desiree, Miss
Hello.
Fancy Jones. Yes, I'm so
Hello.
excited to have her here with us
Yes.
today.
So what do you think about today with having this premiere tonight?
I can't wait to see it. I'm really, really excited to see it. So I just let me see it first, then interview me afterwards. Then I answer the question.
Yes. And this is my Vanessa.
Hi.
This is Vanessa.
I'm shy, y'all. I'm sorry.
Vanessa, tell me about your role in the movie.
I'm the first baby mama, and somebody tried to roll in and take my man, and it wasn't happening. So, but as you can see, we actually cool in real life.
Yes, we are.
So yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you had to use your skills because you all are really friends for real.
Exactly. We had to really put that on for y'all. So
Yeah.
yeah. hmm
All right, tell me what are your thoughts about the movie and what are you excited about tonight?
I'm more than excited. Just wait till y'all see what goes on with Uncle Ronnie. That's all I can say is, oh boy, Brenda put her foot in this one. I don't know where all the hate came from. That's all I'm saying. Okay, we gonna see at the end of the movie.
Are you a villain?
Listen, they really want me to be a villain. Listen, I'm a nice guy at heart. I don't know where all this, you know what I mean? Like he said, all the hate came
Lies,
from, right?
lies,
But
lies.
yeah.
No, what do you think about the project and how do you feel about being a part of something like this?
Oh man, I just appreciate Brenda for having me being a part of this project. Look, I haven't seen it like the rest of y'all, so I'm in it for the first time like everybody else. But from behind the scenes, I know everybody just did a great job, and can't ask for more than that.
I'm thinking we're gonna come in, we're gonna win this game. Go team, go. Okay, we're gonna knock it out the park.
Wrong script.
Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing it. I think Brenda did an amazing job with putting the cast together. Everybody was amazing. So I thank you very much for coming out. Thank you, Miss Hampton, for having me. I can't wait. I can't wait for more. St. Louis on the map.
How you feeling tonight?
I feel good. I feel good.
So all the hard work that you all put into this project, now you finally get to see the results. What are your thoughts? How do you feel?
I'm excited. I think I did good on set. I'm just excited to see how it translates on camera. So I'm just excited to see the film, the ending, how the story plays out. We got a lot of talented people on the cast, so I'm excited to see what it looks like all put together. And we had a dope at where he at? Cinematographer, this guy.
Oh yeah.
Gotta give it. Yeah.
How are you feeling tonight? I know you've worked on various projects, and so tell me, what are your thoughts about this movie and having a chance to work with Brenda?
Oh, it's an honor and a privilege to work with the fabulous Brenda Hampton. Love her. Love what she's bringing to St. Louis. Amazing cast. I just feel so great and so honored to be a part of this project, and I'm super excited.
You can't wait to see it tonight.
Oh, I can't wait. Yes, I'm going to be the biggest cheerleader in there clapping for everybody.
Tell me, how do you feel about tonight and being able to see?
I'm just excited. I can't wait to see what Brenda has done, which I know it's amazing because she is an amazing person. And I love her. I've been knowing her since kindergarten, first grade. Anyway, so yes, I'm very excited. I don't even think I could sleep last. I couldn't even get no sleep last night.
So how did she pull you into this project?
Well, like I said, I've been knowing Brenda ever since grade school, and her shop that she had at the Galleria. I used to come and just see her all the time and buy from her, to support her. And she started talking to me about it. And I'm like, okay, that sounds good. So I'm going to get this to you because this is my second movie. So, yes. Yeah,
So you excited about tonight?
I'm excited. I can't wait.
This is Blaine Jessup. This is the guy in charge of all of my music. He did a fantastic job for Who You Wit too. And I got to give him some shout outs here today. I appreciate him so much. And this is, of course, this is Silas. This is Vic's right hand man. Don't be trying to ease. You see Vic trying to ease out of here, yes. And he's has just been in the trenches with us, Andre, just getting it done, so many hours of time. So thank you. I just want to thank you so much. Thanks, Vix. Thanks, Blaine. Awesome. These guys did a fantastic job. I can't wait for you all to see them.
I want you to marry me. Don't give up on me.
You're so naive. You really should have been mine.
Don't touch me. Rock, your uncle is dangerous, okay?
What you want me to do? Watch.
Ronnie, give me
I just got a real bad feeling inside.
Snake, amongst some other shit you wouldn't be too happy about.
Whatever you want, I'll do. I'll figure out a way how to deal with my own pain. But you, I'm pretty sure you'll keep scoring Vanessa to deal with yours.
Yeah, he's slipping. I can see it. He's slipping. I need to do it right now.
I'm trying to take you down before you come up.
Up out of here.
Leave him out.
I do not play about rock.
Show him a slice your throat. No, please. Raise my blood pressure.
You win. Don't trip off that. I'm getting paid for that.
What I had to do with Who You Wit too is I had to create a team, y'all. Nothing happens without a team. So we have I put together the Black Girl Powerhouse Films team. Yes, y'all. Yes, we are a powerful team. And I'm gonna tell y'all something. This is just the beginning of what you're actually seeing here with these movies. This is the beginning. I also want your feedback. Everybody in this room, listen, we're open to criticism. We want to hear it all. How you feel? How is this? Because I'm telling y'all, we're going to get better and better and better and better every time. Reach out to me at blackgirlpowerhouse@gmail.com and give me your feedback. I want your feedback. Talk to me. Tell me. If you want to be a part of what we're doing, we'd love to have you, okay? All right, y'all? One more time, y'all. Give it up for Who You Wit too.
All right, how y'all doing? I'm Anthony Stewart. I played the incredible character Sippy. I hope y'all enjoy the film and definitely be looking out for more work from Brenda Hampton. She's amazing. The whole team is amazing. The cast was amazing. I had so much fun. I'm blessed and honored to be here. So thank you, Brenda, and I hope to work with you again.
Hello, I'm Paulette Pye. Who You With Too is what you need to watch because the storyline was amazing, the cast was amazing, how they put it together, the editing. I really loved the film. So come watch Who You With Too, because I'm going to go get my signatures. Holla!
Hey, the movie was amazing. The movie was great. St. Louis has some really good talent. Looking forward to seeing what comes out of the Brenda Hampton experience and everything else out of St. Louis, man. Keep supporting. Who You With Too could be a part 3. I don't know. But keep supporting. It was an amazing film.
Who You With Too is out of 1 through 10, is an absolute 10. I love it. Who You With Too?
All right, so this is Force of Beauty. I am the makeup artist from this movie. I would rate this movie a good 8.5. I think they did really good. The cast did really well, and the production was a real production. So, congratulations to you guys.
I thought the movie was wonderful, like stunning, amazing. The acting was superb. And my baby was in it, so that made it even more beautiful.
I thought the movie was absolutely amazing. You know, it's so different watching the movie on screen and then behind the scenes. My character was Raven. You'll see more of me with Rock in part 3. But I think that, man, Black Girl Powerhouse, Brenda Hampton, ITV Network, it's a win all across the board. 10 out of 10 out of 10.
Amazing job, baby. Amazing job, baby.
Thank you.
My name is Artisha Aminette. I'm here in St. Louis. I went to see the Who You Wit 2. It was such an awesome movie. Brenda Hampton is one of my favorite book authors, and I can't wait till she puts out Who You Wit 3. Thanks.
Yes, I really love the show. It was phenomenal. All the actors and the actress, you all did a fabulous job on screen. I just want to say continue to do the good work. You all will touch many people, and this will go very far. So y'all stay encouraged and be encouraged and continue to do this thing, okay?
Well, Who You With Too is a wrap. I just want to thank everybody for coming out. This has been a fantastic evening. My husband and I really enjoyed it. And I tell you, there is so much more to come with Black Girl Powerhouse Films. Stay tuned because we are coming. Thank you to everybody for coming out. Hey, we're doing it. We're doing it big here in St. Louis. Let's get it, baby.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.